everyone. Good evening. So today's date is 26 May 2023, and this is Sankofa MAIZE Connect Limited. My name is Nathan. Alright, so this is the receiving point, okay, where the trailers from Cote d'Ivoire, okay, stand for Ghana's trailer to also come for us to offload the MAIZE for the Cote d'Ivoire trailer into Ghana's trailer. So as you can see from here, so the brown trailer is Cote d'Ivoire's trailer, which brought the MAIZE from Cote d'Ivoire, okay, and this is Ghana's trailer. So we are done, all right, transferring the MAIZE for the Cote d'Ivoire trailer into Ghana's trailer. All right, and this is the second track to be offloaded. This track 2 is Cote d'Ivoire's trailer. All right, so we are here to transfer the MAIZE inside the trailer into Ghana's trailer and transport all to Tema. So these are the daily activities that we've been doing here in this actual locality. All right, so thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Nathan Adelazi, and this is Sankofa MAIZE Connect. Thank you.